Chahi asigi May 3 da Pangthoklagani May 12 da cancel tawkhiba Neet-Ug exam 2016 mathang tha June gi tang 12 da Amuk Hanna Pangthoklagani hairi National Testing Agency NTA amasung PIB na extra thaglakpa post singda hairiba exam ase center lainga ke ayabaga loinana June gi tang 12 Nongmaijing Numitta Pangthoknaba lauthorakhibani masiga loinina candidate amasung mama mapa oiba singna exam asiga mari lainaba e-paushing official communication channel singdagi khanglaba yagani hairi Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan na chair lauduna senior official singa loinana hairiba exam asi transparent leiba amadi asoi angam yaudana pangthoknaba mifam pangthoktuna khanakhiba numit ninigi matungda nauna exam pangthoknaba lauthorakhibani mifam aduda center ge higher education gi secretary Vinit Joshi school education gi secretary Sanjay Kumar NTA ge director general Abhishek Singh CBSE gi chairperson Rahul Singh amashung Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan amati Nobodia Vidyalaya Samiti ki senior official singsu saruk yakhi panbayabadi coordinated paper leak ki Pangthoklagani chahi asigi hawkhiba May gi tang 3 da pangthokhiba Neet-Ug 2016 exam asi May 12 da NTA na cancel tawkhibani Laibak asida khwaidagi chawbani hairiba undergraduate medical entrance test asi laibak asi yauna mapan laibak kapuna center 5,000 ga chambri da mahairoi lak kunithoi henbana saruk yaduna pangthokhi coordinated paper leak ki wathok asigi matangda Prevention of Corruption Act and the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024 gi makhada FIR register tawduna Central Bureau of Investigation CBI na hozi thijinbagi thabak chatharibani amaromda wathok asida chenabani haiduna phakhiba miyoi manga Mangilal Viwal Dinesh Viwal Vikas Viwal Shubham Khairnyar amasung Yas Yadav handakta Delhi court na numit 8 nigi CBI custody remand pikhibani